Day6, bro. I ain't fucking playing with y'all niggas, bro. For real. Put your bitch up. You feel me? I'm checking my pockets, look at my stash, this shit overly loaded, and my bitch got a BBL, her shit overly loaded.
Yo, hey, come on, I feel like I got the hook up. I been waiting to blow the dust off this big chalk, cause it been put up. You might see me twist my fingers up, throw the foes every time you look up. We been spinning blocks like every day, I know I got them shook up. Nigga, what? I just poured her for my drink, she got me leaning. Nephew thought he seen a devil on side this bitch, nah, this a demon.
We all at the zoo, and I'm telling what we finna do. I just know we like thin, this shit still like glue. Get me all at the crib, don't have me in the loop, cause I'm on the map, probably has been true. Like a young nigga just need some love, I ain't faking my feelings, I just need a hood. A big to her, I get shit, new dress, so me she ain't never made little shit dug. But she mine and just like a bug, get money together, we pay like that. Can't wait to get her to the room, put her right on the bed, she getting like that like a rug. Stunt, taking her straight to the wire, just know if you need me, I'm on one call. I ain't ask for too much, just stay with a nigga, good times when
yo, this other shit I do, pop me a perk and I get in my groove. Shit like CB, goddamn me rude. My gang push up, slime shit, hot true. These niggas be broke, can't fuck with my crew. I be sippin' on ass shit, got me relaxed. I'ma fucking your bitch, I'ma hit from the back. On the way to get rich with my nigga Lil' ass. She like the shit I do. She like CB, goddamn me smooth. I really ain't got nothing to prove. I been that nigga since I was like 2. Charge your ass, bro. Stamp that, bro. Stamp that. Niggas putting in too much work while y'all niggas sitting on y'all motherfucking ass.
They stop and stop though. Going towards 2026, it ain't gonna be no stop. Just slow down with that.
Too. You know what you wishing you had on her.
It's valley hard too though. Why you doing back there? Let me play you back there. I was looking at this shit for my daughter.
Put y'all niggas on, man. If you ain't never been to Nashville, motherfucking Tennessee, you got to go to motherfucking Princess, nigga. If you from here, then you motherfucking know Princess.
If you know the original one burned down,
that's your bitch's favorite spot, man.
Good leg, cool.
You hear me? You need to get lit, go to Princess, man. Get you a good breast cord, a medium, with some fries. You feel me? In the ranch. Can't forget the ranch.
Bad decisions, heard I drugs, you got my cat. Go out some mud on her, no love. You bought my phone all the time, but you always gon' call when you ain't with your man. She got a booty, but that little bitch shit groovy, I can't fuck a fan. I slide a roof and slide around in it all day, you wanna know who I am.
Man, y'all been like y'all want to smoke a roach and you ain't had shit. Smoke dog. I don't give a fuck about it. Huh?
dog, baby. On what? What you listen to? For real.
You feel me? Place is my dream, nigga. Clean. Yeah, you know niggas sweat ain't got them in there. Got stuck in this goddamn 5 o'clock traffic, man. Some fucking bullshit. Fucking with OC, man.
One more time. Yeah.
Man, this the goddamn house, man. Know y'all remember standing tall, bro. They done knocked that shit down, bro. The real trap, bro. We back in the hood, man. We on Fern Avenue, man. This shit is not the hood. This the only hood. This the only house left, bro. She sell candy right here. We finna come up, and my nigga Sean Granny still there right here too. These are still house. These the only houses still on the block, bro.
Big, man, but you won't even see
This car trying to goddamn fly past me. This nigga, this one right here, this used to be the hair in the house, boy. We used to get all the head right here, bro. Damn, cuz. This shit bring back memories, cuz. Fuck. These still right here. The church and them little neighbors, you know, that shit still right there. They slowly buying all this shit, bro. This shit crazy.
that shit straight.
They still right here. I remember this house. I used to walk out through this bitch, girl. On some YN shit, bro. Just trying to find shit to do. Real talk. Nigga go right here, walk to Taco Bell, walk to the stove. There used to be a restaurant down there. Now some old people on that bitch.
Remember Lil Tony's still right there. Lil Tony from the view?
Where's Lil Tony? Oh yeah, Tony and Tatum.
Y'all know Lil Tony.
This whole talking about the rapper, girl. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. I'm at the house. He ain't answering. He said, I think he said about McDonald's, didn't he?
Make a sore nigga never took none off the clip, bitch. I push bullets to his nose like booger. Let me fill out on that pussy, pay the weed, so shit hook. I got shooters, Devin Booker. They ain't outside, niggas put up. Fuck good, so when she pull up, leave her shaking, then she shook up.
Yo, hey, come on, I feel like I got the hook up. I been waiting to blow the dust off this big chop, cause it been put up. You might see me twist my fingers or throw the foes every time you look up. We been spinning blocks like every day, I know I got them shook up. Nigga, what? I just poured her for my drink, she got me lean. Nephew thought he seen a devil on side this bitch, now it's a demon. Perk dick, I put it all on your bitch, she get the fiend. Don't go to dissing on that north side on the gang, I get the tweak.
I get the tweaking. Young Bay TV, get your murder, give me a reason. Had to keep this little bitch on my spot like Mike, I told her beat it. Watch how I walk this bitch, to read the punch me in, this shit too easy. I'm in the booth, I'm smoking on down, you smoking on shit that came from Cleveland. That shit brown. If we don't know your name, we gon' make your lame ass move around. Bitch, we got what you need, bitch, I'm in the trap house, piece me a pound. Checking my pockets, look at my stage, this shit overly loaded. And my bitch got a BBL, her shit overly loaded.
I get trying. This girl does so quiet, person to get to mine.
Yeah, that wasn't real.
I didn't get right through your teeth, but I know you lying. I was trying it, y'all. I didn't get right through your teeth, I know you lying. You said I was broke, that bitch in my sleep, nigga wasn't even trying. Got my pen, nigga thought I was lost, nigga just had to find it. Get in my head, nigga thought I was lost, get reminded. I
sipping drink anytime you're cold. I brought them lions in. We ball in the field, we do not take a loss. We ain't the tight end. Since you been think about me all day, pull up before night in. She think I'm out slime in, but I'm with the slime in. She feeling love the first time right around. I tell her the chill, taking pics in the gown. I'm in the truck with TV moving pound. I cannot talk to you right now. She begging me to let my guard down. Too bad I must give it up. Put it hell away to get my heart found. And bitch, you ain't fucking it up. Get down on you and suck it up. She miss me around, she keep bringing me up. She feeding me like she was feeling me up. I feel the taste, bitch, I had enough. I had enough, bitch, don't be surprised when I get sliming. Instagram does so quiet in person, nigga get the mind.
I still get some.
I said the park.
Yeah, for free if they charge us right
Where?
at my job. You know, we parked there when we
Where is that?
I'm saying, look
in this bitch, hey, you ain't had to park, did you?
Yeah, I did right there.
Swear.
Yeah.
How
That shit
much?
like $20 an hour.
Damn. Man, stop it.
He
Stop
said,
it.
man,
I'm finna get the fuck up out of here. We finna find us.
it's like 17.
What
That
you
shit
say?
ain't shit.
Nah, she band's finna put us up on the spot.
Alright, bet. Where y'all finna go? Y'all finna pull off?
Yeah, what?
Huh?
You came by yourself?
Yeah, I'm Dolo.
Hop in real quick.
Alright.
Squeeze in this bitch.
Did you pay? Look at it.
Yeah, I'm finna have to squeeze in this bitch on the gang like Mexicans.
Get that motherfucker only a 7-minute walk.
You can check my rip on the knee. Start from underneath. Baby, suck the dick and please don't use no teeth. Bitch ain't get dead guy. It's no teeth, it's a red eye. I don't want the green with the red eye. We hit his ass up, then we spin out. We hit his ass up like a dread out. Close your blinds cause the feds out. Sorry, baby, can't open up. I'm afraid to let on my I got a brand new 4-5, and I just bought me a new ride. Brand new bitch, she 2-5. And with the same nigga, no new guy. Finna be rich in due time. Don't play with me, nigga, I'ma shoot mine. Niggas be capping, don't shoot. Niggas can't hang with the crew. I gotta watch how I move. I'm not a regular dude. I gotta steal my tools. These niggas be watching my moves. Don't play with me, I ain't no fool. For my niggas to get to the top, bitch, I'm doing whatever. We breaking the rules. We breaking the rules. Oh, they ain't no keeping it cool. Oh, they ain't no keeping it cool. No, I'm just waiting, my time coming soon. I find my shit, I'ma take him to school. Shopping and shit, man, she must be a fool. She crazy. You know I'm a dog. I come from the school of hard knocks. Posted over east, I got dogs on the hard block. Take a shot, you was outside. Hey, hold on. Why we in this bitch, man? Don't shout out your baby mama, Max, man. We gotta. Come on, man. My nigga baby mama passed away yesterday, man. We gotta take a shot for her. R.I.P. Naya. We outside, man. Y'all know 4L Mafia shit, man. Fuck all y'all bitch ass niggas. Fuck the ops, man. He's 4L, yeah, bitch. Fuck on with y'all niggas. Y'all niggas, man, alright, bro. We just pulled up to the dance, man. Shout out Texas Trill, man. We finna do the goddamn Ratchet all goddamn night. I'm lit out that Don Julio. Yo, bitch might fuck tonight. Yeah.
Chucking dice?
Yeah, boy, bro.
You chucking dice?
Chucking dice.
Yeah, we chucking dice. What's up, bruh?
I just wonder.
What's up? We
Y'all got the
here.
bones. Let's play it.
Let's play. Let's play.
Now you want to shoot dice with it?
How much you trying to throw down, bruh?
I'm just saying. I don't know. Y'all probably got loaded shit. I don't know if I want to play with y'all or not. But.
Whoa, now you racist. Come on, get up out of
Oh,
here.
yeah. Now I'm talking shit. I
Yeah,
hear.
get up out of here. He said we got loaded dice. Get up out of here. We can't play fair. Get up out of here.
Hell, I thought y'all don't want to be chunking. But whatever. Y'all have a good one.
You too, man.
Be safe.
Yup.
Hey, that's a cop. He retired.
He walked up. Y'all chucking down. Nigga.
On me, this nigga jaywalking in the bitch. Oh, this nigga, we jaywalking like a motherfucker. God damn, fool.
I don't know, you need to hurry up.
Oh, you gotta say something to the camera.
What's going on, man? Most fire, bro. Man, we outside still shooting a video shoot for New Ratchet. You feel me? You know what's going on? Niggas say you walking fine. Yeah, how?
Niggas stay high. What's up, my boy? Hey, fuck it, we need to sing right here with all the songs. That shit hard. Somebody tell me, yo. What the fuck is funny?
Y'all here, man. Tell y'all, we fucking working, bro.
But look, we fucking get some solo songs though.
I was fucking on his mama.
Hey, man, we are gonna get some solo songs.
I just break it, man. I know you just break it down.
We gonna get some solo scenes, so I guess we can do both part first solo. You wanna face this way?
Memphis, Van Cleve with the trenches, G.
You gonna use that or you gonna do another spot? Mo, we need one more and then we gonna do trench. You wanna go in there? What you wanna do?
Hey, Mo. They was trying to pass it to you.
Right, you dropped your muscle? Damn, twin.
I done dropped the wood. That was a fat egg. I try, bro. I'm being helpful, bro. That's all I'm saying. I'm trying to be helpful, bro.
You might as well hit that motherfucker. You did.
Fuck!
She call me daddy, huh? Her together, they say they come as a pack. Grab a dub and scams, grab a 50 out the truck. She get ratchet off the clay. Bitch, we live for real, let's turn it up and I go grab a head. I'm a trench baby, I'm with a trench baby, who on smoke. Instead of thumbing up, she tryna throw these pills down her throat. ARP got some weight to it, leave a nigga dizzy. Looking for the bad hoes, see the rats, I ain't picky. Do the ratchet, huh? Do the ratchet, huh? The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, huh?
Finna be a summer takeover song, I'm telling you, man. It's going crazy. I got my brother T right here. He gonna let you know, bro. That shit hit on me. Sir. Okay, that would be dope if you I see you say you follow him. Yeah. I get a front, you take I got with you.
Yeah, y'all on camera now. Y'all was looking. Y'all on camera now. You get to looking, you get to being on camera. Look, now you on camera now.
Okay, you gonna walk backwards.
You look, you on camera now. Oh, it's guap, ain't it? What it is, guap?
Put up on the block getting money, man. We you feel?
In the dance.
You might want to park right here, bro.
Hey, y'all, look. So, look. Y'all gonna follow the camera. Y'all gonna follow us. We go backwards.
Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, he put in cash. Posted in a trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it. Nigga speak on tree, I send the blizzards like it's mad. Posted over tree, you play with me, this shit get real.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Y'all stand around, turn up. Y'all gotta get loose. Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, you put in cash. Posted in the trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it. Nigga speak on tree, I send the blizzards like it's mad. Posted over tree, you play with me, this shit get real. In this bitch with Mo, she from Detroit, we in the video. Coming 615, and we gon' show you how we live. Turn up, shake that ass, and throw it back, just like it's mad. Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, get put in cash. Posted in a trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it. Nigga speak on tree, I send the blizzards like it's mad. Posted over tree, you play with me, this shit get real. In this bitch with Mo, she from Detroit, we in the video. Coming 615, and we gon' show you how we live. Turn up, shake that ass, and throw it back just like a pig. Do the ratchet, the way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy. Say do the ratchet, do the ratchet, the way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy.
I want her together, they say they come as a pack. Grab a dub off the scams, grab a 50 off the truck. She get ratchet off the clay. Bitch, we live for real, let's turn it up and I go grab a hat. Little Trish, baby, I'm with Trish, baby, who on smoke. I'm still thumbing up, she tryna throw these pills down her throat. ARP got some weight to it, leave a nigga dizzy. Looking for the bad hoes, cigarettes, I ain't pick.
Hey man, my nigga fine, man. You talking about police done pulled him over. OC and fine the same day, bro. I don't know what the fuck is going on, bro. We gon' see, bro. You know my nigga gonna make it to the shoot. It's always something, bro.
I wish I knew somebody that stayed right there that could just drive over there right quick to see.
Where he at?
He right there, Judge. I think he stay over there.
OC and fine in the same day is crazy.
Bro, that is wild.
OC got pulled over.
That's what they was just
bro.
telling me.
He was just with us.
It was like maybe like 10 minutes ago, like or like an hour ago.
It is about an hour.
Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, get put in cash. Posted in a trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it. Nigga speak on tree, I send the blizzards like it's mad. Posted over tree, you play with me, this shit get real. In this bitch with Mo, she from Detroit, we in the video.
How you can see right here.
We gon' show you how we live. Turn up, shake that ass, and throw it back just like a pig. Do the ratchet,
I did two solo things already.
Fucked up right now. It's the fucked up cam.
that sparked up. You ain't got that sparked up. You don't want that.
Hey!
Mo! Lock in, Mo! Damn! My bad. You good? Yeah. Turn out. Dab each other real quick.
Bitch, she gon' shake that ass and do the ratchet, Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, get put in cash, Posted in a trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it, Nigga speak on tree, I send the bleachers like it's mad, Shit on the train, you play with me, this shit get real, In this bitch with Mo, she from Detroit, we in the video, We gon' tell you how we live, Shake that ass and throw it back, just like a pig, do the ratchet, The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, Do the ratchet, Do the ratchet, The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy,
Come on, yeah.
Grab a dub off the stands, grab a 50 off the track. She get ratchet off the clay. Bitch, we live for real, let's turn it up and I go grab a hat. Real trash, baby, I'm with Trish, baby, who on smoke. I'm still thumbing up, she tryna throw these pills down her throat. ARP ain't got some weight to it, leave a nigga dizzy, looking for the bad hoe.
Man, hey, Bleed come down soon, man. I got the tape come down soon, man. Soon, I ain't gonna say too much, but it's coming soon. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna bleed soon, bleed together.
They like TV, bitch, you turn, say, bitch, I been in grind mode. I might fly a nigga, bitch, out to a different time zone. Hell nah, I can't trust these niggas, don't know what type of time you on. I just spent 1,000 on some jeans that came with rhinestones. Niggas speak on trees in the bitch like me. Yeah, he say he want smoke, but these niggas be capping. Now I can't wait till the day that I catch him in traffic and do the ratchet, Nigga play with me, he thinks it's sweet, get put in cash, Posted in a trap, got what you need, little bitch, we have it, Nigga speak on tree, I send the bleachers like it's mad, Posted up with tree, you play with me, this shit get real, In this bitch with Mo, she from Detroit, we in the video, Come to 615 and we gon' show you how we live, Told her come shake that ass and throw it back just like a pig, Do the ratchet, Do the ratchet, The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy, Said do the ratchet, Do the ratchet, The way I'm hitting it from the back, she call me daddy,
I want her and her together, they say they come as a pack. Grab a dub off the scams, grab a 50 off the truck. She get ratchet off the clay. Bitch, we live for real, let's turn it up and I go grab a hat. Real trash, baby, I'm with Trish, baby, who on smoke. I'm still thumbing up, she tryna throw these pills down her throat. ARP, it got some weight to it, leave a nigga dizzy, looking for the bad